finals clear, we are good to go.
7 years old and my radio flyer red cape tied around my neck. Top of Thompson's hillbilly said I was a liar, and now I'm scared half to death. Becky said Billy was dumb, I shouldn't listen to him, but I had something to prove. Ain't nobody gonna call me a chicken, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna fly, defying space and gravity. I'm gonna fly, Billy, just you wait and see. I was just a kid, barely 18 years, and I couldn't wait to graduate.
Yeah, great.
Confident, cocky, and man, they really got me when I heard my daddy say, you ought to get some knowledge, you gotta go to college, gotta make something of your life. But I had to do it my way, so I headed for the highway, and I followed those little white lines. I'm gonna fly, defying space and gravity. I'm gonna fly, making my own destiny. Well, I crashed in a burn, but I don't regret it. You only fail if you don't try. I'm gonna brush off the ashes and just forget it. I ain't perfect yet, but you can bet someday I'm gonna get my wings and fly. Space and gravity. I'm gonna fly. Yeah, you just got to believe. I'm gonna fly, making my own destiny. I'm gonna fly. Yeah, you just got to believe. 7 years old and my radio flyer red cape tied around my neck. Top of Thompson's hillbilly said I was a liar, and now I'm scared half to death. Becky said Billy was dumb, I shouldn't listen to him, but I had something to prove. Ain't nobody gonna call me a chicken, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna fly.
What we call a steep turn.
Billy, just you wait and see. I was just a kid, barely 18 years, and I couldn't wait to graduate. Confident, cocky, and man, they really got me when I heard my daddy say, you ought to get some knowledge, you gotta go to college, gotta make something of your life. But I had to do it my way, so I headed for the highway, and I followed those little white lines. I'm gonna fly, defying space and gravity. I'm gonna fly, making my own destiny. Well, I crashed and I burned, but I don't regret it. You only fail if you don't try. I'm gonna brush off the ashes and just forget it. I ain't perfect yet, but you can bet someday I'm gonna get my wings and fly.
See the airport now? Right there.
Digit 342, we're cleared to land.
I'm gonna fly, defying space and gravity. I'm gonna fly. Yeah, you just got to believe.
433, roger. Continue down the runway to Los Bravo and we'll talk with me. Have a good day.
I'm gonna fly, defying space and gravity. I'm gonna fly. Yeah, you just got to believe. I'm gonna fly.